St. Kitts and Nevis, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, British Virgin Islands, and Bermuda. Penultimate race of Carifta 50. 4x4 final for under 20 girls. The Bahamians in the lineup.
That's Frederick, the 200 champion.
Quiet for the start, please. Quiet for the start.
There's Tony and Beckford leading off the Jamaica team.
Stand behind your blocks. On your mark.
Final girls event of Carifta 50.
Set.
Off they go. 4x400 for under 20 girls. Saul Frederick leading off for Trinidad and Tobago. British Virgin Islands go out well in lane number 6. The Trinbagonians are going well. Tony and Beckford trying to get into the picture for the Jamaicans. Bahamas will have some work to do coming into the straightaway, but they start to respond as well. Down the home stretch they come. Bahamas in the mix now, moving beautifully on this opening leg. The Bahamians, Bahamas and Jamaica. Jamaica have put their big gun on the second leg. Jamaica changing just ahead of the Bahamas. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, has the baton for the black, green and gold.
Fine first leg, 54.8 for Beckford.
Down the back stretch they go. Ricky and Russell stretches the advantage. The 200 champion, Sunny Frederick on this second leg for Trinidad and Tobago. And she sprints into second position. The Bahamians in third. Jamaica well clear once again. Bahamas now back in second position. Frederick starting to struggle. Down the home stretch. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, leading the Jamaicans. Here she comes to make the second change. Jamaica well clear.
51.8 for Russell.
British Virgin Islands now in second position.
Christian Powell looking good on this third leg for Jamaica. Bahamas fight back and regain second place. Real battle for the silver and the bronze.
3:31.47, the Carifta record held by Jamaica. And Casey and Powell with a massive advantage. Down the home stretch. Powell for Jamaica. battle on for silver. Trinidad and Tobago, British Virgin Islands and Bahamas, but the Bahamians have Valcourt on the anchor leg. That should secure them the silver. The Jamaicans are well clear.
53-4 for Powell. Valcourt.
Well, it's not Valcourt who is on the anchor leg for the Bahamians.
Ran last night. Great lead-off leg. And Jamaica clear in front here.
Abigail Campbell on the anchor leg for Jamaica.
Last year's under 17 400 champion in Kingston gets the glory leg.
And glory it shall be. Campbell turns into the straightaway. Jamaica well clear. Battle really on for the silver medal. Abigail Campbell will lead the Jamaicans to gold in the 4x400. They close the girls' side of Carifta 50 with a fabulous performance. Silver will go to Trinidad and Tobago, and the Bahamians take bronze. British Virgin Islands out of the medals in fourth.
Valcourt ran on the mixed relay last night, and the Bahamian coaches share the glory around for the bronze medal team. That's Jamaica.
The final of the women's 100 meters. In lane 2, Alexandra Stoilova of Australia, 19 years old. In lane 3, Justina Tiana Ekaboyan of Nigeria, 17 years old, personal best 11:24. Kishona Niles of Barbados, 11:33. Very much a 100-meter runner, improving so much all through this year. In lane 5 for Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Naya Wedderburn-Goodison, been training in Jamaica, European under-18 champion. Alongside her, Alana Reid of Jamaica. She's been training with Sha'Carri Richardson and her group in America. Bronze in Cali. Lead leg for the relay team that took 5th in Paris. And Chelsea Kadiri of Germany. She's found form at the right time. Season's best to impress in her semi to reach this final. Adeja Hodge of the British Virgin Islands. Semi-finals of the 200 meters in Paris. Now in the final of the World Juniors. And Viva Jinkwe of South Africa looked really impressive in heats. Had to qualify as the fastest finisher from that semi-final. 8 women, fastest qualifiers in those central lanes there. Niles, Reid, Wedderburn-Goodison. Battling it out for this title. Concentration. Focus, final rehearsals. Down the track.
On your marks.
Fast psyching up, settling into the blocks. The final of the women's 100 meters here in Lima at the World Junior Athletics Championships.
Set.
Good start from Alana Reid, who seems to hold the lead slightly at the moment. Can she maintain that? Hodge battling to get back on terms. Wedderburn-Goodison trying to get up there. Hodge could not get back to Alana Reid, who took it on the line. Niles it was who took the bronze medal, 11:18. She does improve. on her bronze from Cali, and she takes home the gold medal this time. Congratulations to Alana Reid. Hodge of the British Virgin Islands takes the silver medal, 11:27, and Niles Shauna Niles for Barbados does take that bronze medal position. Fourth for Niall Vedderpen-Goodison, and Jean Creek came up for fifth, Kadiri in sixth. Looking for the flag, there she goes. Find the flag to celebrate. Big, big smiles, as there should be. She ran the lead-off leg for that Jamaican team and finished fifth in Paris. I'm sure has topped that now by taking home the title to Jamaica. That is the first Jamaican gold medal of these World Junior Championships.
That was right before. The one we made back in 2016. Long time, 10 years ago. And now, Shauna Niles on Barbados, only 19 years of age. She joins that exclusive group of 3 Barbadians who medal in the history of the World Under 20 Championships.
You can see that crucial to get a good, quick, fast start in this 100 meters, and Alana Reid was able to do that and held that advantage all the way to the line. Hodge did not get quite as good start, but did close extremely well. Niles very consistent all the way down, holding that advantage that she held from the start over Wedderburn-Goodison. Pick up.
Welcome back. So this is the women's 100 meters under 20 race, and this was very spectacular to behold. Now we know Jamaica to be a country where a lot of athletes emerge from, most especially sprint athletes, and this is not an exception. So in this particular women's championship race, the winner was Alana Reid, who is from Jamaica. Now this is a very young lady who has taken world records at such a very young age. Now we know Jamaicans to be dominating when it comes to track and field event, so this is not something that is so wonderful. It is very usual of Jamaicans. But one thing that I like about the country of Jamaica is their ability to groom young talent. So Alana Reid, even at the age of 17, was bagging awards. Now let's take a look at a little history of Alana Reid. Alana Reid is a Jamaican athlete who competes as a sprinter. At the age of 17, while attending Hydel High School, she won the bronze medal in the 200 meters at the 2022 World Under 20 Championship. She later won gold at the 2024 World Athletic Under 20 Championship over 100 meters. So this is a very young talent that I believe that Jamaica is grooming for the future. There are a lot of them, but this is just one of the few who has emerged. I really like the culture of Jamaica, being able to groom young talents in order to bring them out at the due time. I think I heard that she is training with Sherika Jackson, and I believe this is a very good way of mentoring this young lady so that in the near future she will be able to also come forth as a very great athlete, and in the end will also be able to mentor other young ones, and the cycle keeps continuing so that Jamaica can maintain its dominance when it comes to the track and field event, and most especially the sprint event. Now, in both the men and that of the women, Jamaica dominates. For the men, we know the records of that of Asafa Powell, Johan Blake, Usain Bolt, and these big guys when it comes to the 100-meter race. Now, the fastest man alive is Usain Bolt, undoubtedly, and it will be very difficult for anyone to break the kind of record that he has set over the years. When it comes to that of the women's side, that of Thompson, Kishin Thompson, there are a lot of that of Shelley and Fraser Price and many other female athletes in the country of Jamaica. So this young one also coming and being able to win at this early stages of life. At the age of 17, she was able to win a medal. This shows that Jamaica has a very great pool of talent when it comes to the track and field event. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family on other social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down here. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell, and I'd like to see you again in my next video.